What are some things that you like to do in your market that are different? Maybe just, one or two things that you take a lot of pride in, when it comes to taking care of your
I'm 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 very preventative maintenance type of motivated, and that's probably based on my manufacturing experience. I mean, we had to maintain your equipment, or it was going to be very expensive, and being able to bring that back into into this industry. I did feel like when I first came into the industry, it was very much pretty far behind from a maintenance and technological standpoint compared to other industries that I've worked in. And so I think just kind of able to bring some of that up to a level that's maybe more with, like I said, in the packaging world and other types of automated type of equipment and things like that. It's just able to bring some of those same concepts here. And I think even Dental Fix is an innovator there too. Now with Uptime Health, I think we'll be a leader, when it comes to that aspect. So I'm very excited about that. The Uptime edition I think is going to be just phenomenal.